Hi everyone. Today we are going to see grade 10 chapter 5 arithmetic progressions. In this we are going to see exercise 5.1. Before starting the class, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos and click the like button. Okay, shall we start? In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved makes us arithmetic progression and why? So here they gave some situations. We need to check it forms an arithmetic progression or not. That is the first question. In this first question, first situation, let us see. The taxi fare after each kilometer. So if we are going in a taxi, obviously we need to pay some amount. For each kilometer, when the fare is ₹15 for the first kilometer. So for the first kilometer, what is the cost? ₹15 I need to pay. If I travel 1 kilometer, how much cost I need to pay? ₹15 I need to pay. Then for each additional kilometer, how much cost I need to pay? ₹8. So understand the question first. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is ₹15 for the first kilometer. So for the first kilometer, how much amount I need to pay? ₹15 and ₹8 for each additional kilometer. So each kilometer, if it is increasing in each kilometer, for example, if I am traveling for 2 kilometers, 15 for the first kilometer I need to pay. For the second kilometer, how much I need to pay? ₹8. What about the third kilometer? If I am traveling for 3 kilometers, for the first kilometer is 15. That is fixed. It never changes. Then for the next kilometer, for the second kilometer, I need to pay ₹8. For the third kilometer, again I need to pay ₹8. Likewise, it will go. Okay, now see the solution for this. We need to check whether it forms an AP or not. Okay, see the first question, solution. So first question, first subdivision. Given fare of first kilometer. So for the first kilometer, how much fare I need to pay, which means the cost I need to pay ₹15. Fare for each additional kilometer. So every kilometer, if it is increasing, I need to pay ₹8. Clear? Extra. Every extra kilometers I need to pay ₹8. Hence, taxi fare for first kilometer equal to 15. So, for the first kilometer, I need to pay ₹15. Taxi fare for first 2 kilometer. So, first kilometer I need to pay ₹15 plus for the additional charge I need to pay ₹8 for the second kilometer. So totally 15 plus 8, which gives 23. Next, taxi fare for first 3 kilometer. So first 2 kilometer already I found it is ₹23. So 1 more kilometer extra I am traveling. So for that again it is ₹8. So 23 plus 8, which gives you 31. For taxi fare for first 4 kilometers, already I know for 3 kilometers I need to pay ₹31. Extra I need to pay for 1 more kilometer, ₹8. So 31 plus 8, which gives you 39. So how the series will form? Hence the series formed is 15, 23, 31, 39. So here constantly ₹8 increasing in each term. So it forms an AP. That only we are concluding here. Since here the terms continuously increased by the same number 8. Yes or no? All the cases I am adding the same number 8. The above list forms an AP. So it forms an AP. Is it clear? Once again I will explain. So this is given for the first kilometer I need to pay ₹15. For the additional kilometer I need to pay 8. That is given in the question. Here what solution I found here? Hence taxi fare for the first kilometer it is ₹15. For the second kilometer additionally I need to pay 8. So for the first 2 kilometer it is 15 plus 8 equal to 23. Here you should not write second kilometer because the second kilometer only I am paying ₹8. First 2 kilometer only, first kilometer 15 plus the second kilometer, that is the 1 more kilometer, ₹8 I am paying. Don't confuse. Again I will explain. This is not the second kilometer. Second kilometer I am paying only ₹8. first 2 kilometer together only I am adding 15 plus 8. Do you understand? So 15 plus 8 which gives you 23. So the same way 3 kilometer, the answer plus 8 which gives you 31. Answer plus 8 which gives you 39. For the 5th kilometer, the same format we will follow. Hence the series formed as 15, 23, 31 and 39. In the next kilometers I need to pay. Since here the terms continuously increased by the same number 8. So all the cases I am adding 8 rupees because for the additional kilometer it given in the question is 8 rupees. The above list forms an AP. Is it clear? Okay. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video. See the second subdivision, the amount of air present in a cylinder. So in a cylinder some amount of air was present. When a vacuum pump, if I pump the cylinder, it removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So each pump 1/4 of the air is releasing from the cylinder. This is the question. This is the situation. So one cylinder is there. Some amount of air is containing that cylinder. So if I pump, vacuum pump, if I press, 1/4 of the air will release from the cylinder. So first let the initial volume of air in a cylinder be V liters. So I am assuming it as V liter. You can substitute any variable here, any alphabets here. So volume, so I am taking it as V for easy. In each stroke, so each time if I am pressing, the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Clear? So hence the series can be written as, so first time full cylinder it will be there, that is V liter. Then the next time if I am pumping, what I will do, first this will be remain as it is minus, in this how much it is releasing, 1/4 of this amount is releasing. So 1V minus this 1 into the any number which gives you the same number. So 1/4 of V. Take LCM. So here 1 is there. So 1 into 4 which gives you 4. So 4V minus 1V which is equal to 3V by 4. So this is the next value. So one time if I press vacuum pump, then how much air will be released? 1/4 of the value, that is 3V by 4. Then the next time. So now in the cylinder this much amount of air is present. 3V by 4 of amount of air is present. So in this 3V by 4 of amount of air, how much it is releasing? 1/4 again it is releasing. So 3V by 4 minus, multiply 3V into 1 which gives you 3V, 4 into 4 which gives you 16. So now take LCM. So 4 into 4 which gives you 16. If I multiply in the denominator, obviously I need to multiply with the numerator also. So 3V into 4 which gives you 12V minus 3V. So now the same constant, that is same like terms. So same constant is present. So I can add or subtract the numbers. So 12 minus 3 which gives you 9V by 16. So this is the next term. Clear? So now the full cylinder, how much liter of air is present? V liter. In this V liter, 1/4 of air is releasing from the cylinder. So what is the answer I am getting? 3V by 4. Next 3V by 4 is present in the cylinder. In this I am subtracting 1/4 of this R. So I am getting 9V by 16. So in the last sum easily we can check whether the common difference is same or not, because the same number increased. 8 is increased in the same number. So here I cannot check like that. So what I am doing now, common difference D equal to second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term. That is preceding terms I am subtracting from the succeed term. So D equal to second term minus first term. So subtract these two. With the same way find LCM and solve, we will get minus V by 4. Here D equal to third term minus second term. So third term minus second term, again you solve with the LCM, you will get the answer minus 3V by 16. Now check the common difference. It is not same. So it will not form an AP. So from the above values of D, common difference is not same between the series. Hence this is not an AP series. Clear? Once again I will explain. So first in the cylinder, V letters of R is present. Then if each vacuum pump removes R of 1/4 of R is releasing. This is the question. So I am considering the full cylinder of R, we are considering it as V liter. Then in each stroke, each pump I am taking it as how much releasing? 1/4 of R is remaining in the cylinder at a time. So hence the series can form. For first full cylinder it is V. So after subtracting 1/4 of this R, then 3V by 4. Next in this 3V by 4 again I am subtracting 1/4 of R. So it is 9V by 16. Now here directly you cannot check the common difference. So I am checking with the second term minus first term, third term minus second term. Now I am checking the same common difference I am getting it or not. So here minus V by 4, second term minus first term, if I am subtracting I am getting the answer as minus V by 4. Second term minus third term means I am getting the answer as, third term minus second term means I am getting the answer as minus 3V by 16. So in this, these two are different values, so it is not the same. Hence it will not form an AP. Question: the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So for the first meter, how much I need to pay? 150 rupees I need to pay for digging, and for 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. So same as first question. First kilometer it is 15 rupees. Each additional kilometer it is 8 rupees. The same way for the first meter I need to pay rupees 150. For the each subsequent meter I need to pay 50 rupees. So the same way we are going to find the solution for the third subdivision. Cost of digging for first meter equal to 150. Cost of digging for first 2 meters. So first meter it is 150 rupees I need to pay. For extra each subsequent meters I need to pay 50 rupees. So 150 plus 50 which gives you 200. With the same way, cost of digging for first 3 meters equal to this answer plus 50. Extra I need to pay. Because 2 meters already I need to pay 200 rupees, that I know, plus 50 which gives you 250. Next, cost of digging for the first 4 meters equal to 250. That answer plus 50 rupees, that is 300. Hence the series formed is 150, 200, 250 and 300. Clear? The common difference between, here we know already, for the first sum it increased by the same number 8, right? The same way here it increases by the 50. So that only conclusion I wrote. The common difference between the each term in the series above is constant and is 50. Hence it AP. Clear? Clear. So for first kilometer it is 150 rupees. Each subsequent kilometer I am adding 50 rupees in each cases. So I am getting the series like this. So the common difference is 50. So it forms an AP. See the fourth subdivision. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So in a compound interest, he is depositing 10,000 rupees in a bank. The compound interest 8% per annum. Per annum means year. Each year 8% they will give amount. It will increase in your account. Okay. We know that if P is deposited at R% compound interest per annum for n years, our money will be. This is the formula for finding the compound interest for the next year. For the first year, how much amount? Principal 1 plus rate of interest by 100 power number of years. So for the first year, the amount will first while depositing it is 10,000 rupees. After 1 year, this is principal 1 plus R rate of interest, that is 8 divided by 100 power 1, because first for the first year. So 10,000 is the first without after depositing the amount is 10,000. After 1 year it will increased by 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 by using this formula. For 1 year, so I didn't put here. So 1 year it is this. Then 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 power 2 for the second year. So 10,000, this is principal, 8 is rate of interest, number of years. So now it is 2 years, so I am inserting here 2. So 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 power n. So 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 power 2 for the second year I am finding. So this answer is, it will come 10,000, if I am taking LCM I will get 108 by 100. Here 108 by 100 into 108 by 100 because twice the time. Square, whole square means 2 times we need to multiply. So now multiply 10,000. 10,000 into this value, if you are simplifying, you will get the answer as 10,800. Here if you are simplifying, you will get the answer as 11,664. Now so I formed the series. So now I need to check whether the common difference is same or not. If it is same, this forms an AP. If it is not same, it never forms an AP. So here I am checking the second term minus first term, second term minus third term minus second term. So D equal to second term, that is 10,800 minus the first term, that is 10,000. So the answer will be 800. Here third term minus second term. So 11,664 minus 10,800. If I am subtracting, I am getting the answer as 864. Here the difference is not same. Hence this is not an AP series. Clear? So by using this formula, this you need to memorize. Already we studied in 8th standard. Compound interest and simple interest. Simple interest, you know the formula PNR by 100. Here we are using the compound interest. So P into, that is principal into 1 plus rate of interest by 100 power number of years. P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. So for the, while depositing, the amount is 10,000. After 1 year, this is the amount. After 2 years, this is the amount. Finding the answer, we are getting the series of the AP. Now, series we are getting. Now we are going to check whether it is an AP or not. How will you check? We need to find the common difference. If it is same, it is an AP. If it is not same, it is not an AP. Here it is not same, so it is not an AP. Clear? This video, please like, share to your friends and family, and also subscribe. Thank you.